In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Freshdesk using the Analytics module, which is the modern reporting platform that has replaced the legacy reports. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to build, customize, save, share, and automate reports efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log in to your Freshdesk account. Once you're in, navigate your way to the Analytics section, sometimes also referred to as Reports. When you're there, look out for the New Report button situated near the search bar. Clicking this will set you on the path to creating your custom report. You'll notice that there's a field that defaults to Untitled Report. Here, enter a distinctive name for your report to keep things organized. Decide if you want this report to be private, viewable only by you, or shared with your team. An added bonus is that you can clone existing reports if you find one that's close to what you're aiming for and want to customize it according to your needs. Now, time to add some substance to your report with widgets. On the right pane, find and click on Add Widgets to open up the widget library. This is your trove of tools, offering categories like tickets, surveys, and articles. As you browse, you'll see a variety of options. You can drag widgets directly from the gallery, where many come with ready-made templates, or unleash your creativity and make your own. If you choose to design your widgets, you have a selection of visual types to work with, like charts, text, images, or interactive filters. It doesn't end there. Configure the metrics and how you want them grouped for each custom widget. As you set your widgets on the canvas, you're not just creating any report, you're crafting an insightful piece of data analysis. Here's where customization takes center stage. At the report level, you can apply filters such as date ranges, agent involvement, or status by clicking the funnel icon. These filters will adjust every widget for a cohesive view, but you also have the finesse to fine-tune individual widgets with their own specific filters. For clarity and emphasis, you can rearrange and resize widgets so that your report not only tells a story, but does so clearly and effectively. Once you're satisfied with the layout and content of your report, ensure you click Save next to the report title to make sure all your hard work is stored. The clone function is there for when you want to create variations of your existing reports, great for different departments or purposes. Also, assign visibility to control who can see your report. Choose Just Me if it's private, or All Agents if you're collaborating widely. And if at any time you feel you've veered off track, the option to discard changes is handy to revert to your last saved version. And that's it. Now you know how to expertly navigate creating and managing reports in Freshdesk using the Analytics module.